Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe
Hey Boost, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna have a Sunday reset. So I'm gonna be like cleaning. I might take some Instagram photos today. So I'm gonna be using some of my new products today. Oh my god. Today has been like a really lazy day. Like it's literally 11:43. But I was up like at 10 something. That was on my phone. So I'm gonna put a little bit of moisturizer on my hand. And then I'm gonna get my Drunk Elephant anti-pollution sunshine drops. So I'm gonna shake this up. I'm gonna put some in my moisturizer. That's what it looks like. Looks like that. And then I'm gonna massage it all over my face. Don't you just love when you washed your face and then like your face starts drying out and then you put moisturizer and it just feels like this cooling relief? I love that. So it definitely gave me a tint. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I definitely got like a baby tint. Next, I'm gonna try out a sample I got from Sephora, the Summer Fridays eye cream. So far, I like it. I was debating getting the big bottle, but I'm just gonna stick with like sample size because you don't really need that much when you do under eyes. And it actually feels really good too. It like really hydrates because I use like a matte concealer, so like it really helps out. And then my eyelids, never forget your eyelids, ladies. So hopefully it's good weather. I really want to take a nice photo for Instagram. I gotta clean my room. I gotta vacuum. I gotta wipe down my vanity. Laneige. I'm gonna say Laneige. Is it Laneige? Laneige? Onto my lips. I do this every time I do makeup, so my lips will be ready and prepped. I did my base. I'm gonna do a little bit of touches with y'all, so I'm gonna kind of bake my face a little bit. So I'm just gonna get the white side and then I'm just gonna sharpen wherever I bronze. And then I'll do like a dab. And I'm just gonna let that sit there. Oh shoot. So I just giving myself a subtle glow. Hey Booth, I am back. I just got ready. I put my lashes on and I just put my top on. I didn't put pants yet because I'm gonna be leaving in a little bit. But I'm gonna like clean up my room right now because I need some fixing up because it does not look clean. So let me show y'all. I need to clean my vanity first. So I just gotta clean all that up, wipe it down, and then I'm going to vacuum my carpet. Definitely not a cute angle, but we're gonna work with it.
I think I'm gonna go to sleep again and wake up alone on the floor. 'Cause I feel haunted in my bedroom. The floorboards in the next room.
So my vanity looks super clean with my cute chair. So now I'm going to just like vacuum my carpet.
Will keep me warm. 'Cause you ought to know nothing about you makes me nervous. I feel right
I'm gonna go run an errand real quick. So I put some joggers on. Let me show you. I just put some joggers on and a t-shirt, and then I put my Steve Madden sandals on. I think I'm gonna put my pink Fresh and Clean, just something just a refresh. I don't want like a heavy perfume right now. I just want something light. And this is like my OG scent. I used to wear this in middle school. I had the like the body spray, the lotion. Ooh, that feels good. I love this stuff. I love like their whole clean lines, whatever these like purple, blue, pink. I loved all of them. They're my favorite. This one's like my favorite. It's this one, and then I think it's cozy something. I don't know. But I'm gonna take my black jacket, and the person I'm gonna use today. This is what it looks like. I have my hair in a clip right now. Take my jacket and my phone. Y'all like my new phone case? I'm in love with it. I got it from Shein. Look out for a Shein haul coming soon. But yeah, I got this phone case and I thought this was so cute and aesthetic. So yeah, I'm gonna go to a store and then maybe coming back. We're gonna see what's gonna go on. So I'll catch you up later, boos. I just came back home from running a little bit of errands and I want to show y'all what I got today. I am so tired, but in a little bit my boyfriend's gonna pick me up and he's gonna go take pictures of me by the water. So I'm gonna give y'all like a little haul what I got. So first off, we went to Bath and Body Works because there was a sale today. Like the hand sanitizers were like $1, so I was like, your girl wanted to go get some, but they only had they didn't have the ones that my mom and I liked, so I didn't really buy that much. I only got 2 actually. I got a cookie, but it's in the back. It's a chocolate chip cookie. My favorite cookie from Great American is the M&M chocolate. That is like has my heart forever. But the 2 hand sanitizers I got were Butterfly and Ocean. This one's for my boyfriend, but I got this one because I smelled it in the store and it smelled pretty good. I should have got the travel mini size perfume. Like it was like a little spray. It looks like a rollerball, but it's not. It's a spray, but I should have gotten it. But I got the hand sanitizer of this. It smells really good. And then I got Ocean for my boyfriend. I didn't grab a lot because some of them I don't like because I don't really like sweet smells on my hand because when I eat, I get sick. I like to stick with like clean, fresh scents, not like too strong of a scent on my hand. So I just got these 2. I'm going to take this one out. And next we went to Soma because there was also a sale today. So I'm definitely going to put this on my Like to Know It. So if you haven't followed me on Like to Know It, I'm always posting like items I've gotten and I'll post on there so y'all can get the direct link and you can shop what I've gotten. So I got an underwear, but I'm just going to show y'all like the color. That's what it looks like. End of story, because there's, you know, some weird people on the internet. But first off, the only reason why I loved it is because you can change it just regular straps or you can put it to like lacer back, and that's what I love. So I definitely needed a black one, so I got this one. Oh, let me fix the padding. So I got this one from Soma. Yeah, I can't really see because it's racer back, but that's what it looks like. See, regular straps. I got me a black one and I got a nude because like these are the 2 must-haves. It's really hard when they're racer back. It makes them look smaller, but that's what it looks like. Your girl got a package in, so we're gonna open it and see what it is because honestly I don't know what it is. And we're gonna try it out. Okay, I opened it up and oh, okay. So Javi, I think how I say it, Javi reached out to me and they sent me their coffee concentrated like coffee thing, and they came with this cute little package. What is this? This is the little case. This is so exciting. Oh, they're straws. So it comes with a little cleaner for the straws. And I got 2 gold straws. So one's straight and one's like curved. Oh my god, thank you to Javi for sending me their coffee. And I can't wait to try this out. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at this, guys. This is So cool. So thank you, Javi, for sending me these items. Oh my god, I'm so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my god. I'm in love. I can't wait to try out their coffee. This is pretty cool. Look out for like a reel or something with their items. So I'm gonna start getting ready because my boyfriend's gonna pick me up. I literally have my hair in a clip. Tell me if y'all like it, boobs. Does it look fine in the back? Oh, it feels awkward. Okay. I think I did it right. Because I want to take some cute photos. We're gonna get Starbucks and go take some nice photos by the water. But it's staying in the car though. Love that, right? Okay, so girl's gonna put some Air Forces on because that's what I need to put on because this is my outfit. Just literally. Okay, I'm gonna put on my shoes. Put on my socks. Sorry if the lighting's like really bad. I'm trying to fix y'all so y'all can see me. Okay, look, there you go. That's how you get it. Hey Ruth, I am back home. Your girl had Starbucks. She took some Instagram photos and it's pretty late outside. It's already 9:04 and I'm gonna just take off my makeup, take off my lashes and just get ready for the day, get ready for the night. So that's what I'm gonna do. Look, I got like my new clip. I got it off the Shein. It's like these pretty little flowers. So I'm gonna clip my hair back up. I'm gonna clip it out of my face. And we're gonna take off this makeup. I'm gonna take off my drawer real quick. So my pictures came out really good. It took a while like to take photos because like I was looking on Pinterest like for some inspiration on Pinterest like for my feed. So that's what we were doing. We were just taking pictures to see if it looks good for my feed and if I should do this pose. So yeah, a lot was going on. So I'm gonna take off my lashes. Oh, that feels amazing. That feels so good. So now I'm going to I don't even have any makeup wipes anymore. But I guess I'll use my balm. I'll use my mini one for now, but I'm gonna use the Verse one. And I'm gonna just use my pink towel. And this is what I use to take off makeup. So I'm just gonna grab like that much and circle it all around my face. But it smells kind of good though. Like I kind of like the smell of Bix though. And do a little bit more, but I'm gonna use the cleaner side and take off any other makeup that's left on my face. I took it off. I mean, I still have a little bit of makeup on, but I took off majority of it, and my face feels pretty good because all that makeup's sitting on my face. Oh, I'm ready to lay down and relax. So booze, I'm gonna like hop in the shower and stuff like that, get ready for school. So booze, I hope you guys enjoyed my Sunday reset video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!